In a massive victory for the forces in the valley, Indian Army avenged the murderous attack on forces in October. In the longest-running counter-terror operation conducted in sub-zero temperatures in Poonch, the forces have neutralized Pakistani Lashkar commander Abu Zarar.
64 days after first contact was established with the terrorist and later followed by another encounter in which 9 brave hearts of the Indian Army lost their life, now the encounter has begun. One terrorist, Abu Zarar, who is from the Lashkar-e-Toiba, has been gunned down, and right now we are in that very area of Bairam Gala where the operation is underway. The Special Operations Group of Jammu and Kashmir Police along with the Indian Army is carrying out a coordinated search operation. This is one of the toughest operations as it is taking place in almost sub-zero degree temperature, and the Jawans of the Special Operations Group, they are carrying out round-the-clock searches in this very area. It is expected that one terrorist is still hiding in these upper reaches area, and that's why these SOG Jawans, they are tactically moving in this very area. A few meters from this area is the place where actually the gun battle has taken place. One terrorist, Abu Zarar, the top Lashkar commander, has been gunned down while another terrorist is still hiding in the area. And I'll request Gaurav to keep focusing on the visuals because you can see they are also carrying their backpacks with them, which shows that they are all prepared for a detailed encounter. That is, if it goes for 2 or 3 odd days, they are also ready for the same. They have their dry ration with them, and now they are approaching the upper areas. I'll request Gaurav to keep showing you the visuals that how they are tactically moving in and out this area because this is a dense forest area, and the intense cold conditions, they are also making it really very challenging. And at the dark of the night, you also have to make sure that you don't get into any friendly fire because there is a movement all around. There is a Indian Army that is also part of this operation. The Special Operations Group is also advancing, and how tactically they are moving, this is what is actually happening on ground.
A massive manhunt for another associate of his is underway.
Even during the dark, the Jawans of the Indian Army are still deployed in the outer cordon in the ongoing Suranko anti-terror operation. One terrorist has been neutralized so far. One is still hiding in this very area, and that's why the Indian Army too has been leaving no stone unturned to neutralize the second terrorist because they have avenged the killing of 9 of those brave hearts who lost their life in first 2 contacts when it was established on October 11 and October 15 in the Dera Ki Gari area, and the second one in Bhata Duria. And that's why these men in brave, these Jawans of the Indian Army, they are here to take the revenge from those perpetrators who were sent from the Pakistan to bleed the brave hearts of the Indian Army. But now one of them has already been dispatched to hell. The search for the second one is still underway because a top commander, Abu Zarar, has been killed from the Lashkar-e-Toiba by Indian Army and Jammu and Kashmir Police.
Leading the war against terror, the security forces are leaving no stone unturned in systematically dismantling terror networks and breaking the back of terror in the valley. Bureau Report, Republic TV.